Hello everybody, I am in Yosemite National Park at the Bridalveil Falls parking lot. It is very early in the morning, so I think I will be the only one on the trail, at least for now. I had to wake up at 3:30 a.m. because Carson went on a big climb and he needed to drop a rope for me. So that is why I am up so early. I haven't even had my coffee yet. I thought today I would do a short, easy hike because the next couple days are going to be big ones, and I figured today would be a good rest day. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along and show you what it looks like. Already getting the first glimpses of Bridalveil Falls. So right now it is the end of September and Yosemite Falls is not flowing. But Bridalveil Falls must be year-round because it's going strong. Wow, that is a tall waterfall. Okay, well that looks like the extent of the hike. It was paved the whole way and it was not very far. Not too bad for a sunrise jaunt. All right, now I'm gonna make it back to the car and go find some coffee. Okay everyone, that is it. I am back in the car on a mission to go find coffee. According to my phone, that was slightly over half of a mile. Really cool waterfall though. I mean, take your grandma, bring your kids, bring your mom. Really short, easy little jaunt to a view of a really cool waterfall. And it looks like a Bridalveil, so I think that's why it's called Bridalveil Falls. Thanks for following along on this short and sweet journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Why is this upside down? God damn it.